Well, actually, I wasn't recording. Let's do this over again. I don't know. Take two. I just got gas at BJ's. It's May 3rd. I put the date wrong. I gotta change that. I'll change that right now. May 3rd. Generally, I get 25 to 27 miles to the gallon. Sometimes 28. I thought I had 28 in here. Oh yeah, I did up at 28. I got 28 one time. Generally, the range you get is around 260 miles. Around 250, 260 before you have to fill up. It's a 10-gallon tank. In my other truck, I was going cross country and I forgot about my gas, and I was like below E, and I was like, crap, I'm gonna run out of gas. So I was sucking fumes, and I actually put 11 gallons in this thing. So it's got a secret gallon, at least a secret gallon hidden away for you in case you forget to fill up. Pay attention. So the mileage is decent on there. It's not great, but remember, this is a light truck, not a mini truck. I'm about to go in shopping, and I want to charge up my Bluetooth headsets and my auxiliary battery pack. Which I don't know if it's charging or not. There might be something wrong with that battery pack. But yep, it's charging. I found out kind of a useful thing for this tray. They got this weird tray that on my glove box. You pull it out. I don't know what you do with it, but I'm just trying to utilize it. You can put stuff on there that's out of the way. You can charge stuff while you're shopping, I guess. I don't know what to do with it, but that's that funny tray that I don't know why the Japanese put that in there. I'm sure it has a good reason. But this power distribution stays on even though the keys are out. You can turn it off. Turn on. And this one has a power supply that also doesn't turn off with the engine. It stays on. But it can be useful. So that's it. Just a few pointers about this car I wanted to let you know.